Hey guys, this is Spike Davis. I'm former producer of the Greg Deal of Tyler YouTube channels. Sorry we haven't done a video in a while, but there really hasn't been that much interesting stuff. But now we are up north. It's December 30th, 2014, and we're having a severe windstorm. Later tomorrow, we should be getting about a foot of snow dumped here. There's not even any. It's freaking December. And then there's pretty strong windstorm. The average amount of wind reached about 55 miles an hour. Yes, it doesn't seem like wind right now, but it's going to be coming soon. Yep. Sorry this isn't as good as the footage. I mean, it was good earlier. Okay, yeah, like this. Like, look at all that. We've been having those all day, and it's delayed quite a few things. Guys, meet my friend. He's gonna do a weather report. He knows a lot of it. So. Hi everyone, I'm Tyrone Tucker, and I am reporting for Windstorm Diamanté passing through Charlotte right now. It's going to be continuing up through the Rockies, Colorado, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, and the rest of the upper plains. And it's going to be long, and behind this windstorm is a very strong snowstorm. And it's supposed to, where we are right now, Charlotte, Arizona, it's supposed to drop about a foot of snow. Thank you for watching.